Want to see all your likes on Threads app but don't know how? Hi everyone, I'm Jenny from Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to see all your likes on Threads app. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by launching Threads app on your device. Then click on the profile icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the two horizontal lines icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. After that, click on the liked button. Here you can see all your likes on Threads app, and that's how you can see all your likes on Threads app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.